I-adjust na lang. So when we say traditional literature, it means it's passed down to us generation to generation. For example, ang grandparents, ilahang story sa amatong lula, amatong lula sa itong mama, and then sa itong mama sa awa. So nakakay classification of traditional literature. First, we have legends. So legends are folklore or tales about a person or place. Comes from the Latin word legenda or legendus, meaning to read or represent. So when we say legends, these are kanang nasay historical events na hitabo or kanang nasay historical evidence. For example, kay King Arthur. Kasi kaya King Arthur. So, for example, sa legend, kining the legend of Robin Hood. Sino kailan ni Robin Hood? Yes, Lino. Ay, ganito na siya. Background.
Ay, kato naman ang akong mga kuwanan kay katong ihimo ni William Caxton in the 15th century ba to? And then, isa na siya sa story bitang mga ihang na-produce ata about sa, basta ginamura siya o nagasuot o katong anak. Makita naman ito sa Robin Hood katong gi-adapt sa GMA, may na itong siko na nagdala si ang asawa ni Marian Rivera.
Oh, ba to? Okay, thank you. So, si Robin Hood, bali siya, he is famous for stealing sa mga rich and then the healthy of the poor. Next is the legend of King Arthur. Please read slowly.
He's a legendary figure based on the beautiful 16th century war between the king and
Okay, so si King Arthur is a young boy who became king after pulling the magical sword. So, ano yung pangalan ng magical sword? Let's go to the letter E. Sword ni King Arthur. R.
fire and its death.
So, kaning legend of Atlantis is from ancient Greek writing. So, especially sa mga philosopher like Plato. Si Plato or si Plato, so Atlantis was described as powerful and advanced island civilization. However, because of pride and corruption na hitabo sa aning island, ang island daw kay nilubog ba sa ocean. And motto, the story serves as a lesson about greed and the consequences of arrogance. So next is myths. And for the definition of myth, what is myth? Myths are stories that explain the origin of the world and the phenomena of nature. They are sometimes called creation stories, symbolic narratives, stories of gods, goddesses, demigods, and heroes involve extraordinary events based on tradition and belief. So, origin of myths is unknown, and also it is passed through oral tradition or ang gamit lang sa ilahang pagpasa-pasa sa mga myths is about istorya lang nila, and also connected to ancient religion and part of cultural heritage. And for the Greek mythology is the one of the most popular types of myths, which is the Greek mythology, and these are stories about gods who live in the Mount Olympus. Greek myths influence many modern stories, movies, and books that we know today. So stories of gods in the Mount Olympus. And here is the gods of the Olympus. So first we have Zeus. Kung kailan ni Zeus, siya ang god of sky and thunder. Next is si Poseidon, si god of the sea, and si Hera is goddess of marriage, which is si Hera, iyang bana kay si Zeus, and si Athena is goddess of wisdom and war, and si Apollo, god of music, healing, and prophecy. Si Artemis is the goddess of moon and hunting, and si Hermes is messenger of the gods, and si Hades is god of the underworld, or mo ni siya katong nag-portray daw katong demon gani. Katong naisungay na red. O, siya sa yung tao. Ito gitaw siya god of the underworld. Na ginabilis na if bad yung things na ginahimo, mamit yung si Hades. So, in Roman mythology, one popular story is the Cupid and Psyche. So, Cupid is the son of Venus, which is the Venus sky. Venus is the Roman goddess of beauty. He is the god and love. He is the god of love and uses his bow or arrow to make people fall in love. So Psyche is a beautiful princess. So Cupid is the son of Venus. God of love uses bow to arrow. Psyche is a beautiful princess. And next is the story of Cupid and Psyche. So ordered. So the story of Cupid and Psyche is si Venus daw became jealous of Psyche because si Psyche is, di ba, goddess of beautiful or beauty, kanang guwapa daw si Psyche. So si Venus daw nagselos kay Psyche. So si Venus di ay ang nasuya kay Psyche. Mo to iyang gisugo si Cupid na i-curse daw si Psyche na ma-fell in love sa isa ka monster kay guwapa lagi daw ka si Psyche. So gusto niya na i-curse daw si Psyche na ma-fell in love sa monster. However, Cupid accidentally hit himself with the arrow and fell in love with Psyche. In the end, their love overcome all challenges. So mo ang story accidentally na-meet niya yung self mo to, na-fell in love sa site kay Pepe. Diba? Parang palit na natin. Dili sa tragedy, but kanyang na-fell in love sila sa isa't isa and they overcome all challenges and they live happily ever after. And other examples of myths, books of myths is the Maria Makiling and the King Madia. So, as we all know, the story of Maria Makiling is a kind of fairy who lives in the Mount Makiling. She protects the forest and helps people. Then she fell in love with a human, but the human betrayed her. So Maria Makiling nawala daw and she became a mountain. Yes. And also in the story of King Madias, if you're not familiar, King Madias, he was given a special power of kung sa yung mabilitan, manimod ang gold. Moto na at first, nalipay daw si King Madias kay ang bangko yung bulisan, manimod ang gold. Lipay siya kay renowned for si King Madias. Ako pa siguro. Pero, kalaunan or later on, murag naging curse na, feeling ni King Madias kay naging curse na ang pag-ibig ka ng power niya nga, kanang bulitan niya kay naging gold. It's because even ang iyang food na bulitan, yung gold daw. So, dili na siya makaon. Next is, even ang iyang family and iyang daughter turned into gold. So, moto, murag, ang iyang special power na maging gold ang tanan niya bulitan kay murag, yung curse para sa iya. And the story of these two example of book is greed can destroy happiness and also money is not important. It's because sa many mong gold or mga kwarta wala family mo, diba? And also, be careful of what you wish for. If mag-wish ka na gusto ka maging sana na lang bulitan na ito pag may mong gold, di pa dagang kwarta. But later on, maka-realize na nga so ang mga wishes is usahay sobra and makalimo na din siyang first sa kwa. Dito din siya makabenefit. And ako lang. And next reporter is the fairy tale.
So guys, ako na ang sunod na reporter. So mabalar ta kanino ka linya sa tubangan kay Juan, nga kanino ka linya na sa likod tanan kay ito. Ako ta na tubangan
Asan ko lang yan?
So what is a fairy tale? One. Two. One.
Yeah.
So basta.
Fairy tale is a magical story of the exciting adventures during the heroes and fantasy stories. The author has a princess, fairies, witches, animals, or magical spells. Fairy tales usually teach important lessons about kindness, bravery, and good
So the structures of fairy tales, beginning, introduce the character, so and setting. So sa itong mabatayan sa mga fairy tales na salida kay dahil may mga introduction din sa character nila o sa mga settings po nila. Then sa next is problem conflict. The main character face a challenge. So sa ito makikita sa mga fairy tale ng mga salida na labi ng mga bilyagos kay sila ginahalos na struggles na mga come up na ay mga challenges nila sa story, sa story. Karihatan sa Cinderella. Then sa next is magic or help. Okay. So something magical happens or someone help. So noon makakuha nyo sa mga
Sa pusi kasi nila, di ba? Kaya nagyan ako kay si Juan, very young
So, pictures of a fairy tale. So, magic and fantasy. So, fairy tales have magical elements like talking animals or spell. Kung sa man nga, atagi na mag-example nga ka ng fairy tales nga halos ga storya kay animals, murag layuting mo.
Katong oy, baboy god. Sing, di ba? Sing.
Di ba? Hindi mo na fairy tale. Fairy tale ba? Di ba?
Baboy, di ba? Sing.
So, tanan yung mga halos ko ng mga fairy tale nga sa India kay naagay na halos ko na mo story of animals. So, good and evil. There are kind characters, heroes, and bad characters like villains. So, unsa kay ito fairy tales nga so, wait,
So sa kwan naman, Cinderella, so na siya yung good leader because Cinderella is one of the example of good person and sa evil side, siya yung stepmother and dito. So bago siya ako, kaya so
good and evil na bad. So, good, out. Katong iyang stepmother mo ang bad na character. So, pictures, picture of fairy tale. So, lesson or moral. The story teaches values like kindness and courage. So, pabata. Kung sa may moral sa fairy tale nga sa Lydia nga Cinderella, kung sa may moral lesson dito.
Every guy never give up. Diba kay si Cinderella nga mga time is diba kanang nag-give up na siya. But tungkol sa health of fairies, murag kada siya kung ano ba hindi na mo mag-up and ano ang straight. Now really love it.
So, props. Kung sa mga props.
Cinderella, fight dance guys. Diba? There should be time looking forward when if the becomes reality. So, sa Cinderella, ang nagkakaroon nito ay yung stepsister and yung stepmother is mistreated with her. So, yeah, should be kind to others even if they didn't tell us.
So,
Parang na-learn yung moral sa Cinderella kay anything na kung good ka rin, intention ka, na-retreat tayo na mo hatag ka rin, mo balik ko Japon ang goodness sa imuha if ka nang maging good lang po ka. Kung sa imong gihatag na goodness, mura po na yung mabalik po sa mga mas good karma. Yeah, good karma.
very good. Nindot yung mga answer eh. Kita gawin mo ng salida ng
so unsa pa yung moral?
moral.
Moral.
Moto, tama yung don't give up to yourself para natay mga silang payan mo. So, royalty and magical creatures. So, princess, princess, yes, fairies, and witches are common. So, noon, nasa fairy tales natin, isa dito sa liga katong, may feather dust ba nga? Tinkerbell. So, oh, Sleeping Beauty, very good. Sleeping Beauty. Tangin.
Kung may kag-fairies kayo, tanan dyan sila ka nang halos kayo, naipako.
Very good. So, moto, tama mo yung gano'n na. Basta fairy tales, halos with fairy. Basta pati ba kay, pati ang lalaki dito, kay may pako, pati itong lakudawas, kay may pako, kay may pako, pati akon. So, una, very good. So, ang happy ending, most fairy tales have playful ending. No, like, lain din naman sa ending, no? Happy ending daw, sabi ni Sunshine. Very good. So, So, grabe kung bumasa po rin, wala mo nagdap. So, ang kanya is the turtles of the Roland started by Dragon. So, Moni sila ang tulong na nagtinong sa ay sila ang nag-wrote sa mga ay na sila nagtinong mga story about their tale. So, sila, kung siya the Brothers Grimm from Germany wrote the sa Gidafing, ay wala po ako. So, wala po. Ay, wala mo. Jay. Thank you. Sorry guys. So, characters of a fairy tale. So, imaginary world, the setting is often a magical kingdom or enchanted forest. So, reaction sa Tinkerbell. So, enchanted they love one. Pati animals, they Bilang halos Coyote. So, next is magical elements. Magical spell, fairy godmothers, or talking creatures. Most of fairy godmothers are Cinderella. Brave characters, a hero and heroine who face a challenge. So, sa gitong natin sa video i-rescue na gito ang princess sa tower na ay dragon. Naagay na lang ikaw pahiro para lang makuha sa kumain. Kasi Glenn, alam. Ano ba? Character state of a fairy tale. Villains and helpers. There is usually a bad. So, balik for example, moral lesson sa teaches kindness, bravery, and honesty. So, wala ka po kung nga wala lang. Example of famous fairy tale. So, Little Red Riding Hood. Nakakita na mo na sa nila. At sa Angel. Ay, Juan, Kalito.
And then pag ato niya sa balay kay abi man niya kanang iya itong naiyang lola dito niya ikuha na dito sa fox ay wolf, and then pag uli niya sa ilang balay kay kanang abi niya iyahang kuan kanang iyaging lola ang katong nagkuan nga wolf basta murag amo to say nasunod na ato nga na trick gid niya wolf.
And next is Cinderella. A kind girl gets help from her fairy godmother to attend her hotel school dinner. Kabakan din siya. Sabos tayo.
Which means fictional stories, which means it is a narrative stories created from an author's imagination rather than the facts or story. Ito, like for example, the talking animals of the hare and the tortoise. So, ang mga characters or ang mga tauhan o tagpuan ay gawa-gawa lang or invento lamang. So, they are concerned with the forces of nature such as plants, winds, lightning, and trees. So, the characters mostly on fables are animals that personify in traits like talking animals. So, nila ang ginasuntog nila ang character sa kanao. So, fables are short stories filled with humor or to entertain children. So, the characteristic of fables, they are because of the humor of the story. So they are poetic with the allegorical significance in the sense they are poetic because it is a short stories and that convey moral lessons and the characters are animals or non-humans or kids like talking animals. They are moral tales usually with animal characters, so short, tables are short, and they are usually have no more than 2 or 3 characters. So, kung na may mga upat or 5 mga characters na famous stories are very rare lang din siya. So, the last structure of fables, we have exposition. It introduces the characters of an animal representing human traits and setting. For example, the story of the hare and the tortoise. So the hare or the rabbit mocks the turtle that na gingan niya ang turtle na you are very slow that ako kay malakas ako at mabilis ako ikaw kay mabagal. Then the rest so mo to ang exposition. So the characters, then the rest of action is the conflict develops distinct the characters virtues or highlighting their goals. So katong ningon ang rabbit na mag-breaks na ako man siya ako ng okay paspas ko ikaw kay hinay kayo ka. So the climax, so the turning point or highest moment of tension. So when the race begins, so diba nagsimula na ang karera nila kabuang ni rabbit. So sinabi ni rabbit sa kanyang sarili niya, pahinga muna ako, natulog muna ako dito sa kahoy kasi mabagal kasi ako. Then, so pag molto siya, tapos ang pagong ay nagpatuloy lang siya sa iyang paglakaw. Hantod sa resolution or the outcome, the conflict is resolved by demonstrating the consequence of the character's action. So, kung nagising na si Rabbit, nakita na ni Rabbit, na-realize niya, ala na, nandoon na pala si pagong narating niya yung naabot na siya sa finish line. Which is, nadaog si Pagong despite of her being slow. So the moral, the final, this is the result. So the moral of the story is teach the children not to boast or hindi maging mayabang or overconfidence of your cunning, of your talents or unique qualities, because instead you will be steady. Instead you be steady and always keep trying no matter how slow and one runs. Because we have the kasabihan of slowly but surely. So next we have so famous fables such as the hare and the tortoise, kung gingon ako kanina. The author is Aesop. So next we have the fox and the grapes. We have the author also is the Aesop. So in this story, the fox and the grapes is about the fox is about a fox who saw a bunch of grapes hanging on a branch of tree. So the fox wanted the grapes badly, and then so he tried to jump, but he could not reach. He tried to jump multiple times, but yet he could not reach. So until he told himself that the grapes were sour and he did not like them. So he gave up and walked them away. So the moral of the story of the fox and the grapes was to teach children that don't give up on anything you want. And another lesson is that some people would despise anything that they cannot have. Di ba makapil sila kanang dili ko na mansuko ta o dili na to na makuha. Then napi uban nga dili sila mundang hanto dili nila makuha kanang mabutang. Mangita din sila way. So dapat ingana daw ang mga bata. Kamu Wilburn. So, through his web, katong iyang kanang sininan ko, lawa niya, na ibutangan niya phrase that Wilburn is good, good phrases yung ibutangan ato to convince the farmer na dili na iawon si Wilburn. So, katong mga pamaagi, naging Scott's Wilburn na wala na siya ihaw mauto and then pagka sunod ato kay sikat naman si Wilburn tungod ato kuwet tungod kay Charlotte ni apil sila o kaning pair pagkahuman nadaog sila tapos si Charlotte through sa iyang sacrifice sa pag-lay of eggs sa mga lawa nagkasakit siya o namatay. So mauto si Charlotte si Wilburn ano lang po niya ang friend. So, moral story is we should teach children to have friendship, loyalty, and sacrifice. Katulad ng hope and sacrifice para sa gihimo ni Charlotte kay Wilburn. Nag-sacrifice siya para maano iyang friend. So, purpose of fables is to teach humans a lesson about recognizing and overcoming their bad habits. Another, ito pa man, gina-teach ni fables sa ako at kung ginabasa niyo dati. Values. What else? Discipline, moral, very good. Then, it is typically humorous and meant to poke fun for the children. So, that's
So now we're talking about the epic. So what is an epic? So what is an epic? So epic is a long story poem that talks about the amazing adventures of heroes. The word comes from the Greek word epos, which means story or poem. So isa may nakabuhat sa inyo na diri og poem. Asa man siya gina-relate? So, ang epic is, sa una daw, ang epic is before, hindi siya sinusulat through papers. Bale, orally siya, so pinapasa-pasa hanggang sa nasulat sa So, this these are the characteristics of an epic. So, epic is usually have these pictures narrated in a third-person point of view, which means they are told in a formal way or not casual. So, next is the narrator is often third-person omniscient. That means the storyteller knows everything in the story. The narrator is often third-person omniscient. That means the storyteller knows everything happens in the story. So the setting or place where the story happens is very wide and sometimes mysterious. So the plot or events give the hero every hard challenges that seem impossible to overcome. So we have this famous epic. So first, the Iliad. So isa may nakabasa na ng Iliad. Iliad nga epic. Iliad.
vengeance, killing the one who killed Patroclus, and he is ended at the end. So that's all that yes.
So, tayo itong sa itong war, kasi tawag sa inyo ng war. Trojan War. So, ang Trojan War is ikanang malawakang war wherein ang mga goddess ay naglalaban-laban, di ba? So, ang kuan, ang Daiya kay introduces Achilles as a warrior whose body could not be hurt by weapons. Then it also shows Paris as Trojan prince who gave golden apple to Aphrodite, to the goddess of love. So, as a reward, Aphrodite gave him Helen, the most beautiful woman, but Helen was already married to King Menelaus of Sparta. So, when Paris and Helen ran away together, the king thousand ships to fight Troy. Then after 10 years of war, the Spartans treated the Trojans with with the Trojan war or Trojan horse, a giant wooden horse hiding soldiers inside. At night, the Spartans attacked and destroyed Troy. So next, the Odyssey. Kasi nakakonta sa the Odyssey. So ako i-share. So, you have to do a brief explanation about the Odyssey. So, the Odyssey, this is the epic, tells the journey of Odysseus going home after the Trojan War. Because, di ba niya pa na nagsulat ni si Homer, pero di-connect na niya sa sila. So, because he angered the god, he faced many trials called the 12 labors. 12 labors. So, wala ko na pa. He met monster like the Cyclops, one-eyed giant, the silent strangers who sang to trap sailors, and sea monsters Cycla and Charybdis. After many years, he finally reached his home, Ithaca, but still had to fight men who wanted to marry his wife. Isang one. The story teaches perseverance, loyalty, and self-control. So, nari ang kaming movie na endorse si Mark Patua. So next is Ramayana. So Ramayana is an Indian epic. It tells the story of Prince Rama who was banished from his kingdom. His wife Sita was kidnapped by the demon king Ravana. With the help of Hanuman, the mountain general, Rama rescues Sita, returned to be king. The lesson of the story of this Ramayana, good always wins or over as evil. So next, Mahabharata. Mahabharata is another Indian epic. It tells the rivalry between two clans, which is the Pandava or good and the Kauravas or evil. So the Kauravas cheated the Pandavas and died in exiled them. So after many battles, the Pandavas won the Great War. So the lesson of this story is justice and goodness will always won. So next is the Beowulf. So pag-inote ko ani. So Beowulf is considered oldest Anglo-Saxon epic poem, written sometimes between 975 AD and 1025 AD. So, the Anglo-Saxon. So, Beowulf is the oldest English epic. So, he fought the monster Grendel, then Riddle's mother, and later a dragon. He killed the dragon but died from his bite. So, ang epic ay nag-talk siya about sa kanang heroic death. So, the lesson of the story of the wolves ay bravery and honor are important. So next. So the purpose of ethics, first, preserve history and culture. Mauto siya, ginapasa-pasa para remember sa uban na generation. So, it also it teach morals, show bravery, sa pagalingan, loyalty, and honor, and to inspire people through heroic history. So, dapat maging matapang tayo kahit anumang challenges na ating pinakaharap. Ganun ang ating. Tulad ni